Cathie Mannion with Avanti Pro, here to give you your tax management update. It's election season, and elections affect our taxes. Every 2 years, the administration changes, but taxes change all the time. We do know, or think we know, because we really don't know everything, and nothing is for sure in this environment. But we believe there will be another Coronavirus Act between now and the end of the year. What will be included in it? Who will benefit? What rules will be changed? I can't tell you that. But I can tell you that there are some outstanding issues that we really need Congress to button up. The election also has both parties talking about certain tax areas. You have your individual tax rates, your capital gains, estate taxes. The Health Care Act has taxes, and the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act could have changes depending upon which way the election goes. If we have an entire Democratic House and presidency and Senate, then most likely we're going to have a lot of changes, and they're going to be effective January 1 of 2021. If President Trump wins re-election and the House and the Senate goes Republican, we're going to have a lot of changes, and most likely they will be effective January 1, 2021. If we have a mix, it's going to fall sometime in the middle, and depending upon when the acts are signed, they could be effective January 1, 2021, or they may be effective January 1, 2022. Either way, we need to be able to know where we stand and manage effectively. The PPP Forgiveness now has 3 applications available, and most of the banks have opened their portals to accept all 3. The SBA has divided the applications based upon your loan levels, and as the loans decrease, the application for forgiveness complexity decreases and the documentation required decreases. But is it time for you to apply for forgiveness? Depends on your situation. If you are anticipating an ownership change, yes, now is the time. The banks have 2 months to process the paperwork. The SBA has 3 months to approve and fund the forgiveness piece. You need to have that buttoned up to do ownership changes. However, if you're not under the gun for that, you may want to consider waiting. The repayment timeline starts 10 months after the 24-month covered period. Therefore, most people will not need to start the repayment until the first quarter of 2021. So what does that give you? The possibility of this next Coronavirus Act giving the trade groups and lobbying organizations what they've been wanting. Automatic forgiveness for lower loans, easier application process, different loan terms, or reopening the program again. We don't know what is going to happen, but some are saying there's going to be more changes to the PPP forgiveness piece. Where are you now? You need to know. This has been an insane year, and we all have COVID brain fog. We don't remember what happened before then. But the year started January 1, and tax implications have been happening all year long. Gather your documents, do a review, and see where you stand. Know what your income is if the coronavirus acts allow for no tax effect of the PPP, or if it sides with the IRS and say those expenses aren't deductible and your income's higher. Know what effect those lifestyle changes may have on your taxes. Has there been a death or a divorce? Or just overwhelming change because it's a crazy time? Lifestyle does affect your taxes. If you have a small business, have you taken advantage of the CARES Act credits that are still available to you for your employee payroll? Do you need to amend your second quarter 941 or your third quarter 941 for those that were out sick for COVID or taking care of family members for COVID? If you need cash flow, the EIDL loan is still available. As always, Avanti Pro is here to help you weather the storm that is going on right now or in the future, give us a call at 407-331-7330 or visit our website at www.avantipro.com. Have a great day.